You have to do what?
I want to see what's on it.
On the video?
Yeah.
You're on it.
Can I see now?
Well, yeah, but if you come look, you won't see yourself. We're just looking at the snow. See? There's Daddy over there. Do you see Daddy? Piling snow. A pretty big pile.
Daddy, see me?
Now I see you.
How? Now can I hold it?
No, not with those mittens, sweetie.
Why?
This is for Mommy to do, okay? See, there's nothing there, and then there's Daddy.
Hey, can you stop the trees?
Can I look up at the trees? Sure. There we go. Okay, Daddy's ready for you in your big pile of snow. You better go. Hey, what's the time limit on these things? I know, but for like YouTube or something like that. Couple minutes? Okay. Not that it has to be the YouTube, but...
Here we go. Big snow throw.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Nice.
That's good. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! You slid down. It's like a snow hill.
The one thing is, it's hard to edit it, so try to cut it off like that.